Hello and welcome. In today's report, the Pentagon is planning a major expansion of autonomous systems to counter China's growing military capabilities. Deputy Secretary of Defense Kathleen Hicks announced the department will spend hundreds of millions to develop thousands of AI-powered drones, ships, and other systems over the next 2 years. Known as the Replicator Program, it aims to rapidly deploy cutting-edge technologies to keep pace with China's expanding fleet of autonomous systems. The Pentagon cited concerns that its bureaucracy is too slow and hopes to replicate the success of Task Force 59, a network of autonomous drones monitoring Iran. While details are limited, Hicks hinted at air, land, and sea capabilities. With China displaying advanced swarming systems, the Pentagon sees autonomous tech as vital to maintaining military dominance. Great, because this certainly can't end badly, right? I guess it was inevitable that militaries of the world would embrace AI, starting with the Pentagon. This is obviously a topic I'll continue to keep an eye on for this report. The link to the full Wall Street Journal piece is in the description. By the way, if you're finding my daily reports on the AI and tech world valuable, or even if you're not yet sure, that's okay. I still need you to smash the like button and smash that subscribe button. It'll help get these reports seen by more people, and it'll help grow this channel. All right. In somewhat less foreboding news, but tangentially related, the open source large language model scene continues to barrel forward. The Technology Innovation Institute just released a new game-changing open source AI model called Falcon 180B, setting a new record with 180 billion parameters trained on a massive 350 trillion tokens. This open source model achieves state-of-the-art performance, topping the leaderboard for available models and rivaling proprietary models like Palm 2 and GPT-4. Trained on a diverse dataset including the web, conversations, and code, Falcon 180B excels across a range of natural language tasks. Its release into the Hugging Face ecosystem will allow the community to build on this model to create even more capable versions. This represents a huge step forward for open source AI, providing an advanced foundation to democratize AI innovation. And in further open source large language model news, Meta recently open sourced Code Llama, a new AI code generation model built on top of their Llama 2 foundation model. Available in up to 34 billion parameters, Code Llama was fine-tuned on over 500 billion tokens of code and natural language about code. In benchmarks, it matches or exceeds the performance of proprietary models like OpenAI's Codex and GPT-4. Meta also trained instructor versions for generating code from natural language prompts. With its permissive community license, Code Llama provides an advanced open source foundation for building AI coding assistants. Early experiments show Code Llama has potential for further improvements, and its release aims to inspire more innovation in AI for software development. I mentioned earlier how the release of open source LLMs are tangentially related to the use of AI by militaries. Surely they're developing their own models and may or may not use some of the various open source models out there. But the main point to consider is that AI is on a runaway train at the moment, just speeding forward at a clip that, in my view, will lead to a lot of insecurity in the world and in society. We're beginning to see it just pervade every aspect of our lives, and this is just ground zero. 2023 is really the year where AI took off exponentially, and I think at the pace things are moving, it's very difficult to see where the world will be in the next 2 to 5 years. One thing is certain: it'll be a world where humans must contend with AI, basically machines that have cognitive capabilities that are similar or that exceed that of our own. The ramifications will be profound. Next up, and a lot more lighthearted, Suno announces version 1 of Chirp, officially coming out of their beta. Chirp is a text-to-music generating model that's really quite good. I've been using it for the ending music to my daily reports. In the beta, you could give it text and it would generate music for you, but you couldn't specify the genre. It may give you a rap or it may give you country for the same lyrics. You just didn't know. And that was really still quite cool. But now you can specify the genre, and you can tell it what parts of the text are verse and what parts are chorus. That's today's report. Thanks for checking in, and I'll leave you with this. See you tomorrow.